Why brown rice is the healthiest carb? You're not eating enough. Join me, guys, up until the end. Ethel, Allera here. Let's go, guys, and let's all find out.
Do you like eating brown rice?
Here are 9 amazing health benefits of brown rice. Did you know that a simple switch from white rice to brown rice could change your health in powerful ways? From aiding weight loss to lowering cholesterol, this humble grain has more to offer than you think. Let's dive into the powerful benefits of brown rice. Now that you know why brown rice is creating such a buzz in the health world, let's take a closer look at what that's inside your body. One grain at a time.
The top 1 health benefit of brown rice. Rich in fiber.
Brown rice is a whole grain, meaning it retains its bran and germ. This makes it high in fiber, which aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps keep you full longer. Great for weight control.
The top 2 health benefit of brown rice. Supports heart health.
Its high magnesium and fiber content help reduce cholesterol levels and improve cardiovascular function, lowering the risk of heart disease.
The top 3 health benefit of brown rice. Helps with weight management.
The fiber in brown rice slows digestion, helping to control appetite and reduce overeating. It's also lower in calories compared to processed carbs.
The top 4 health benefit of brown rice. Regulates blood sugar levels.
With a low glycemic index, brown rice causes slower spikes in blood sugar, making it a better choice for people with diabetes or those at risk.
The fifth health benefit of brown rice. Supports brain health.
Brown rice contains B vitamins, especially B6, which support brain function and reduce stress, fatigue, and mental fog.
The sixth health benefit of brown rice. High in antioxidants.
Brown rice has compounds like phenols and flavonoids that fight free radicals, helping to protect the body from inflammation and chronic diseases.
The seventh health benefit of brown rice. Strengthens bones.
It contains essential minerals like magnesium and phosphorus that play a key role in bone strength and density.
The eighth health benefit of brown rice. Boosts energy.
Brown rice provides complex carbohydrates and natural manganese, both important for sustained energy, release, and metabolism support.
The ninth health benefit of brown rice. Gluten-free, naturally detoxifying.
It's naturally gluten-free, making it a great option for those with gluten sensitivity. Plus, it helps flush out toxins due to its fiber content and essential nutrients. So, the next time you reach for rice, remember what brown rice can do for your body. Health swaps like this can lead to a better, longer life. Don't forget to like, comment, share this with someone who needs to hear it. And subscribe for more natural health tips. See you on the next one. Brown rice is a whole grain rice that still contains the bran and germ. The outer layers that are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Unlike white rice, which has these layers removed during processing, brown rice is less processed and therefore more nutritious. Because of its natural structure, brown rice has a low glycemic index, meaning it is digested more slowly. This helps prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, making it a healthier choice for people with diabetes or those who want to manage their blood sugar. Ang brown rice ay isang uri ng buong butil na bigas
Filipino
na may
Translation.
taglay pa ring bran or germ. Ang panlabas na bahagi ng butil na mayaman sa fiber, vitamina at mineral. Hindi tulad ng white rice na dumaan sa proseso ng pagtanggal ng mga bahagi nito. Ang brown rice ay mas kaunti ang pinagdaraanan sa pagproseso, kaya mas masustansya. Dahil sa natural nitong anyo, mababa ang glycemic index ng brown rice. Ibig sabihin ay mabagal itong natutunaw sa katawan. Nakakatulong ito upang maiwasan ang bigla pagtaas ng blood sugar levels. Kaya mas mainam ito para sa mga may diabetes o sa mga gustong kontrolin ang kanilang blood sugar. Let's stay connected. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button when you get updated on our next video. Stay well and keep glowing. Ethel Allera here is signing off.